Hey, Merry Christmas to everyone. I hope you're enjoying this beautiful day. Man, what a great day in December. I'm here at a property in Plano. They asked me to check out the roof just to make sure that everything's fine. There's houses that have roofing signs saying they're going to replace their roofs. And bottom line, that might be possible, but that doesn't mean your roof needs to be replaced. And you have a lot of different business practices that roofers do just to try to get a roof done, just to get some money in their pockets. And in this case, these are good friends of mine, know them very well. And with everybody we meet with, we're checking out the roof to see, is the integrity of the roof compromised by a hailstorm or by just a lot of wear and tear. In this case, this roof it doesn't need my help, and I hate that, but as we're going through it, there are some things that can be addressed, and so a lot of times it is keeping a house dried in is not just a matter of the shingles itself. It is the trim and where you have deterioration going in that can, some loving can make a big difference to actually prolong the wood, to keep it healthy, and to keep the house actually safe. So this is a long way up, bear with me, but this is a good example. Look at this. Now, homeowners are not on the roofs themselves, but that's just all deteriorated. I mean, it's all the way in. What we're going to be able to do is to be able to give them the game plan on how we're going to take care of that, get everything fully sealed in. But this is another example. Even with the caulking, it's starting to flake off. See that? You can see the nail head exposed. This needs to have a little bit more loving, just to have everything fresh, sealed, healthy, and taken care of. But again, this is Joel Carricker with Trinity Roofing and Construction. I wish y'all a Merry Christmas. If there's anything you need us to check out, we got a great team. We would love to serve you. And always remember, we got you covered.